If you love watching our Genuine Family vlog, then please be sure to subscribe because we post videos every single day. Ready for Cedar Point?
Yeah.
Tim Hortons. Toffee wants food.
Quiet.
Oh, there's not bacon in his.
Thank you.
Is that a dog treat?
This is for the dog.
Oh wow, that is so nice.
Thank
Okay. Thanks.
you. You are lucky, Toffee. Snoopy. There's someone in there.
Wanna use potty? Huh?
Oh wow, not even. She didn't even wait to get in the grass. Wow. Okay. Toffee. Bye, Toffee. We've been having a fun day today, huh? What'd we do?
Doing right.
We went on rides?
Yeah.
What else?
We not got to go to a beach.
We did not get to go to the beach. Grayson, how was your day? Grayson, what are you doing? You're sleeping. You have fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite ride?
I got
To start the day, Grayson cut open his lip. Grayson split his lip open. Let me see, buddy. Can you take that down? Like this. Oh, that's so sad. Let's put your other hand up there. And then let's wipe this one off. This one's got blood on it.
I choose which one. Which one do you want? You want twinkle? You want twinkle? Okay, twinkle, Okay, yeah.
All of our kids have been champions today. They haven't cried hardly at all. They've just been enjoying the show, having fun. Be careful, don't touch it, that'll hurt it. Because, you see it? That right there? Grayson banged his head on the chair.
Not his head.
Oh, he banged his lip on the chair, huh? I think the biggest disappointment of the day was that we didn't get to ride Top Thrill Dragster.
Dragster is closed all day.
I guess it was closed all weekend too, so that was a pretty big bummer, especially because it was one of my top rides that I wanted to show Grammy and Blake.
And they don't have the t-shirt I was gonna buy. Not in my size anyway. I'm gonna gain weight just to wear it.
We've been having a blast today at Cedar Point with the Grammy and Blake. We've been showing them the ropes, going on all the rides. There goes Valraven over me. To start the day, we went on Steel Vengeance. We had to start with that one to make sure that Grammy and Blake got to ride one of the best roller coasters in the world.
not sick.
I know,
Okay.
so
Dinner,
fun.
not sick.
Oh,
I could have swore several times I was coming out.
Really?
They didn't have the shoulder straps.
No. Today has been the craziest day for rides. For Steel Vengeance, we waited in line for an hour and a half. Well, Lori and Blake
They
did.
came back the other way.
Evelyn, that's not gonna work, kiddo.
And so we did.
You gotta lay down.
And they wanted to
And
drive.
so we found, they're
Oh,
in
yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. So you guys pretty much saw the whole park then.
We did.
Yeah,
We
not
toured
by
the whole
choice,
thing.
but, and I think.
My favorite is actually Maverick, which was the second ride we rode. For Maverick, we waited in line for 2 hours. It was worth it. We love Maverick.
Sounds good. At this time, you're going to unbuckle your seatbelts. You got to pull down and push up on your straight connection to your right hand side. Thanks for being with us and good night. All riders, welcome to our Raven. Come all the way down to the end of the road to the last available seat.
Ah! Grayson, don't play with the blinds, please, buddy.
What are you, Mommy?
Blinds. Are you gonna be pouting all day because of your lip? Let me see. Let me see your lip. You just gonna keep your lips like that? No. Put your bottom lip in. After Maverick.
Magnum.
Oh yeah, then we rode Gemini.
Gemini.
And we rode Magnum. Hi, buddy! Right here, Grayson. Going on this ride. And then we did Millennium Force. I got to ride that one with Grammy, which was pretty fun.
Wicked Twister.
Oh yeah, then I rode Wicked Twister with Blake, and he wanted to sit in the front. And that's why my voice sounds so hoarse right now, because it scared the poop out of me.
Dante.
He smile at me. Hi, Sienna.
Tight.
Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Hi. Hi, Sienna. Grayson's got a ladybug.
Mommy has a day.
Hold on, hold on. Then we went on Gatekeeper. Oh, he got it! Go, Sienna, go! Grayson, how's your lip? Is it doing any better? Yeah! Yeah, Grayson! We are staying out way later than we anticipated. Vroom, vroom! We're still at Cedar Point. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. I can't believe we're here this late. And now, last but not least, we are riding Valraven. And we haven't gotten to ride this one all summer because it was closed for 3 weeks. So we're pretty excited that we finally get to knock this one off. All right, time for us to ride Valraven, last ride of the night. Yeah? Because it's nighttime. So we are just about done with our trip and then we have to drive back home tonight. It's going to be a long night. Our kids are all already asleep. It took them a matter of minutes. Everyone's conked. It's a very quiet car. We are pooped and now we have to drive for a while. We went to McDonald's and got a surplus of drinks. How many, Lori?
I have 3.
I've just got 3 now. You had 4.
You got 3 from McDonald's?
No, one I had from the gas station.
So 2
Oh,
from
yeah.
McDonald's.
I have a water bottle, and I bought a Monster, and then water cup, and a Stroopwafel McFlurry, and Está Caliente for the babies.
And hot water for the baby. And I have a thing of water. So at McDonald's they gave us 8 drinks. They gave us 8 drinks at
Yeah, I've
McDonald's.
got 4. I've got 2. And Lori's got 2.
Yeah.
And we have 4 up here. That's crazy. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can hang out with us every single day.